What's wrong with the man?
Why do I beat up the little girls and women? Their hands meant to hold and caress, instead wield violence, causing distress. Their words, once soft and kind, now laced with venom, leaving scars behind. Why do they hurt? Why do they harm? Is it power control or a twisted charm? The pain they inflict, it echoes through time. A cycle of hurt, a wound that's hard to redefine. We cry out for justice, for an end to the pain, for the safety of our daughters, sisters and mothers in vain. Let's rise up, let's break the chains. Let's stand together, let's end the pain. Respect, kindness and love let's reclaim. For the women and girls, let's restore their dignity and name.
What's wrong with the man?
Let's work together, hand in hand. Release Jamaica
From this negative ban.
This poem aims to raise awareness about violence against women and girls.
Hey, stop what you're doing, brother.
Would you want someone to do that to your sister, your daughter or mother?
Leave our women alone, or to me you will answer. I am watching. I am everywhere, your closest friend, your father, your brother.
The judgment is in our eyes. We won't stand while our women and children are being unalived.
What's wrong with the man them? The sick one them, them a cause me problem. What's wrong with the man them? The sick one them, them a kill off woman. What's wrong with the man them? The sick one them, them a river the youth them. What's wrong with the man them? The sick one them, tell them we can't stand them. We have our eyes on you, yeah. We know what you're doing. We have our eyes on you, yeah. We know what you're up to, yo. What's wrong with the man them? The sick one them, no. The action they can them. What's wrong with the man them? No. The can't bother star them. You can need. Why man no love a man? I love you, ladies.
Our women and children are in danger. We are physically stronger than them. Let's protect our women. Please like and share this post for a safer Jamaica.